Good morning, guys. Today we are going to Cars and Coffee, and you guys are going to come along with me and look at the whole process. So we're going on our mandatory Starbucks run of the morning because it's way too early. It's now, I think, 7 a.m. and we're going to meet my friend Basil at Starbucks, and then we're going to cruise down to Cars and Coffee, which is in South Lake, which is like 45 minutes away from here. Coming down, it's raining hard. I don't know why we're here, bro. It's cold. There's some cool cars here, but not as many as normal because it's actually freezing and it's raining now. It wasn't supposed to rain, but now it is. Look at them too. What is that? Look at those oyster shaft. Look at that. It's dirty.
Wait, yeah.
What's up?
You got new tires?
Yeah, I got new tires in the rear.
I thought you went up a size on these, huh? What happened to the Michelins, the pilots?
I went up in size. I actually really don't like
What
these.
happened to his Michelins?
Who?
The other guy.
They were like hard from sitting so long, and then I just drifted everywhere, and then there's no more tire.
Bro, why'd you get the Firehawks?
They're not bad, but I'm not a fan of the upper size. It's like a soft sidewall.
You went up a sidewall, or you went up?
I went up
a width.
A width, but المشكلة now when I'm at like over big speeds, it like sways in the back. I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
It looks better though.
It does look. It looks fatter. I'm probably gonna go with Michelin's and sell these, but I want to get new wheels for it anyways.
I don't like the Firehawks. Like, I had an issue with my car.
Yeah.
I could not grip them, bro. And then
Really?
I'm seeing them on the M2, and I'm like, what?
They get traction off the line.
Bro, they were good on like the E46 M3s. They were good on they're good on Miatas. They're good on like those kinds of cars.
Honestly, I didn't have a problem with them on those cars.
I just had an issue on my car. Like, they just kept sliding.
I get good traction off the line, but like at speed, it sways in the back now. I don't like that. It's very sketchy.
I got
Toyos. What is that? Look at those wastegates. Or blow-off valves? No, those are. This is like Need for Speed.
That's a Jotech.
The Need for Speed Underground 2 right here. Okay, say what you want to say, but like Japanese cars have the best engine base. Look at that. Look at. Man, I know it's aftermarket, but damn, looks pretty sexy.
Oh, it's a factory Plenum, I guess.
Yeah, but they like painted it red or something. It's Joytech or whatever.
Sleeper car, the S60R.
Is it a Supra?
Yeah.
It's a Supra.
It's a wide body bag on what, HREs?
Bro, is that a Supra?
That's a good wheel setup.
Oh, that's pretty sexy.
Looks like something straight off of Forza.
It really does look like it's off a video game. It's the video game setup. It's done well though. It's done really nice. I don't know why people hate on these so much. They're really nice. I feel like they're just a little too small.
It's the BMW butthurtness. We like BMW, so we're used to it.
No, I can't be a BMW straight 6. Even though they make the best straight 6. It's like their bread and butter. And they're like, oh, why did they use a BMW one?
It's definitely sitting proper.
It sits nice. I'm a fan.
Floyd, yeah, look at that, bro.
What did you do to this thing?
I looked at it too hard.
You sat on it?
See, guys, in Arabic we call that hasad. He looked at it and it exploded. Alright guys, so we're gonna head out of Cars and Coffee and figure out what to do next. But that was a pretty good Cars and Coffee for the weather, I guess. But pretty good turnout. I thought it was gonna be a lot less people with the rain that came in, but now it's not raining, and so got some good turnout. Alright guys, so if you liked that video, like and subscribe. That was Cars and Coffee, another little get together that we do here in the DFW area in South Lake. And if you guys want to see more of this type of content, like and subscribe and leave me a comment of what kind of cars you want to see there, and I'll try to videotape it for you guys next time.